Saving $10,000 in a year may seem like a daunting task, but with strategic planning, discipline, and a few clever money-saving tactics, it's entirely achievable. As we navigate through 2024, adopting a comprehensive approach to saving can help you reach this significant financial milestone. Strategy 1. Embark on a year-long purchasing fast. Consider undertaking a formidable challenge where the only expenditures allowed are absolute necessities, basic groceries, essential utilities, and critical healthcare. This extreme form of financial detox, a complete purchasing fast, compels a reevaluation of what you deem necessary, pushing you to find creative alternatives to spending, such as bartering services or upcycling items you already own. The psychological shift from a consumer mindset to one of resourcefulness can have lasting impacts on your financial habits well beyond the year. Strategy 2. Radical housing cost reduction. Examine the largest line item in most budgets, housing. By considering drastic alternatives, moving to areas with significantly lower costs of living, opting for minimalist living spaces, or engaging in house sitting where you live rent-free in exchange for property upkeep, you can slash one of your most substantial expenses. This strategy requires flexibility and a sense of adventure, but can result in profound saving. Strategy 3. Turn nomad to leverage remote work. For those who can work remotely, becoming a digital nomad, moving to places where the cost of living is a fraction of what it is in your home country, can drastically reduce your expenses while maintaining your income. This lifestyle allows for exploration and adventure while saving money, though it demands careful planning regarding visas, healthcare, and taxes. Strategy 4. Transform personal assets into income streams. Look at what you own through a new lens. Potential income. Whether it's renting out an unused room on Airbnb, leasing your vehicle during idle hours, or monetizing a hobby through online sales, each asset can contribute to your savings goal. This approach turns depreciation into revenue, making your possessions work for you. Strategy 5. The literal credit freeze. To combat impulse buying and credit card misuse, some suggest freezing your credit card in a block of ice. While metaphorical for some, taking this action literally provides a tangible barrier to mindless spending, ensuring that any use of credit is a deliberate choice, thought out by time and reflection. Strategy 6. Urban foraging and gardening guerrilla. Embrace the forgotten art of foraging, identifying and harvesting wild food resources in urban and suburban environments. Coupled with guerrilla gardening, cultivating land you don't own, like community spaces or unused plots to grow food. This strategy can supplement your diet with fresh produce at little to no cost, echoing the self-sufficiency of past generations. Strategy 7. Embrace a zero-waste lifestyle. Adopting a zero-waste lifestyle involves minimizing trash output, but its financial implications are profound. By focusing on reuse, repair, and recycling, you avoid the costs associated with disposables and single-use items. This philosophy extends to food consumption, wardrobe choices, and everyday goods, encouraging creativity in repurposing and reducing reliance on buying new. Strategy 8. The unconventional income of clinical trials. Participating in clinical trials offers a dual benefit, contributing to medical research and earning compensation. While not without risks, choosing studies with minimal adverse potential can be a lucrative side income. Thoroughly research and select trials to ensure they align with your health standards and comfort level. Strategy 9. Strategic appliance utilization for energy savings. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. In colder months, timing the use of heat-generating appliances can contribute to home heating, albeit slightly. Baking, laundry, and other heat-producing activities can be clustered during the cooler parts of the day, reducing the need for additional heating sources and thus lowering utility bills. Strategy 10. Venture into micro-investing with spare change. Leverage technology to turn spare change into investment opportunities. Apps that round up purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference can turn the concept of loose change into a growing financial asset. This passive investment strategy harnesses everyday transactions as a vehicle for savings. Strategy 11. The 24-hour rule expanded to all financial decisions. Beyond impulse purchases, apply a 24-hour contemplation period to all financial decisions. This cooling-off strategy ensures that every expenditure, investment, or financial move is made with consideration and intention, aligning each dollar spent or saved with your broader financial goals. Strategy 12. Extreme commuting solutions. Exploring alternative commuting methods such as biking, walking, or even running to work not only cuts down on transportation costs, but also contributes to physical well-being. For those living further from their workplace, forming or joining a carpool can significantly reduce commuting expenses. Strategy 13. Dumpster diving with discrimination. While the idea of dumpster diving may invoke skepticism, it's an extreme yet viable way to reclaim perfectly good food, furniture, and supplies that have been discarded. Approaching this practice with safety, legality, and ethical considerations in mind can uncover valuable resources without cost. Strategy 14. The cash envelope system reimagined. Taking the cash envelope budgeting system to new extremes involves not just allocating cash to categories, but actively reducing those allocations incrementally. Challenge yourself to live on less each month, treating it as a game to find new ways to save. Strategy 15. Redefine vacationing with volunteer work. Swap traditional vacation spending for volunteer opportunities that offer room and board in exchange for work. This alternative provides meaningful experiences, fosters connections, and eliminates the costs associated with standard holiday travel. Strategy 16. Dive deep into the world of extreme couponing and rebates. Mastering the art of couponing, rebates, and cashback offers requires dedication, but can result in substantial grocery and shopping savings. The key is to only buy what you need and stack discounts whenever possible, turning shopping into a strategic operation that contributes to your savings goal. Strategy 17. Leverage low-cost side hustles. Identify side hustles that require minimal to no upfront investment. Digital platforms offer various opportunities to earn extra income, from online tutoring to content creation, that can be pursued without significant financial outlay. Strategy 18. Downgrade your digital life. Critically assess your technology use and needs. Opting for older, less expensive tech devices or limiting your digital subscriptions can free up hundreds of dollars a year. Embrace the digital minimalism trend not only as a lifestyle choice but as a financial strategy. Strategy 19. Maximize the utility of public libraries. Public libraries offer an array of free resources beyond books, including tool lending, digital media access, and educational programs. Leveraging these resources can replace many paid services and entertainment options, enriching your life intellectually and culturally without impacting your savings. Strategy 20. Adopting Stoicism for financial gain. The ancient philosophy of Stoicism, with its emphasis on inner contentment, self-control, and resilience, offers a powerful framework for rethinking consumption and desire. By focusing on what truly matters and letting go of fleeting wants, you can dramatically reduce your spending and find fulfillment in simplicity. Integrating these strategies into your financial plan for 2024 can significantly accelerate your journey towards saving $10,000. While some tips may push the boundaries of conventional financial advice, they embody the spirit of innovation, adaptability, and perseverance required to achieve ambitious savings goals.